she had a dream. Here was all mud, nothing but mud, whirling mud. And as it whirled and whirled and whirled before her mind's eye in her dream, she noticed a small, perfectly beautiful, perfect pearl. And she picked it up and held this perfect pearl. It wasn't big, but it was a perfect pearl in her hand. And then she looked. Now this pearl she found in the series of experiences that she conducted. For a boy came from the east to the west, with instructions that if he couldn't find a job in the immediate present, he had to return to the east. And so she simply, on a Friday night, saw him, not physically, but in her mind's eye, as though he stood before her physically, and congratulated him on the job, just as though it were a true physical contact. On Monday, the boy got the job, and therefore did not have to return to the East Coast.